Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Basin from Meru Mantra. Today we will be activating all our 7 chakras and stimulating the Kundalini Shakti for inner bliss and divine joy. Let's start. Sit comfortably, closing your eyes. Become aware of your breath and your body. This process will have 2 breathing techniques, the breath of fire and alternate breathing, and then we'll be working on each chakra individually to activate and stimulate them. Let's start. The breath of fire. Inhale through the nose, exhale out. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling, taking your navel back. Inhaling, exhaling and navel back. Increasing the speed. Building the rhythm. Building the energy. Building the heat in the body. Inhale, exhale. In through the nose, out through the nose. Take your navel back as you exhale. Let the energy build up. Let the fire build up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the nose. In through the nose, out through the nose. And now, let's start the alternate breathing, Lom Vilom Pranayam. So now, inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left nostril and exhale from the right. Keep the length of inhalation and exhalation equal. Inhaling from the right, exhaling from the left. Inhaling from the left, exhaling from the right. Keep it up. Alternate nostril breathing. We'll start now activating our chakras. First, activating our basic chakra, Mooladhara. Just contract and relax your genitalia and your rectum and anus. Contract it up, relax it. As you're pulling your rectum and anus up and relaxing it, you're activating your root chakra. And keep doing this while listening to the mantra Lam and other Bijakshas linked with this root chakra. Now we'll move our awareness up to Swadhisthana Chakra, which is in the pubis area behind the genitalia. Focus your attention there, contract and relax your urethra, the area from where you pass your urine. Activate your Swadhisthana Chakra. Keep activating this and we'll start the chanting Vam, the Bijakshara, with other associated mantras of Swadhisthana Chakra. Let's bring our awareness up to Manipur Chakra or the navel center, which is at the level of the navel. To activate this, pull your navel in and then relax. Pull your stomach and navel back toward the spine and relax. As you exhale, pull your navel back toward the spine. As you inhale, relax. Keep pumping your navel. As you exhale, pull the navel back. And now, let's pull our awareness up toward the center of the chest, the Anahat or the Hriday Chakra. As you inhale, push your front chest forward. As you exhale, bring the chest back. Keep pushing the chest forward as you inhale, and as you exhale, bring it back. With each inhalation, expanding and opening your chest. With each exhalation, dropping down, relaxing. Feel the pumping of the chest, and we'll chant the mantra Yam. Yam. Gam. 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 Haram. Cham. 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 Yam. Ayam. Tam. Tam. Kam. Kam. Gam. Gam. Yam. And now, bring your awareness up into your throat. Very gently, revolve your neck clockwise, very slowly, 3 times, and anti-clockwise, very slowly, 3 times. Focus on the throat, the mantra, hum, the Bijakshar for the throat chakra, also called the Vishuddhi Chakra. Bring your awareness up into third eye that's between your two eyes. Look upward towards the third eye, the Shambhavi Mudra. Both eyes looking inward towards third eye. With your tongue, push the palate up and then relax. Push your palate up and relax. And as you push the palate up, feel the energy flowing into third eye. Feel the movement in the third eye. Keep your awareness on the third eye and chant Om along with other Bij mantras of Agya Chakra. And now, let's bring our awareness to the top of the head, the crown chakra, the Sahasradal. Again, look towards the top of the head and push the tongue towards the palate. Press the tongue against the palate, the top of the palate, the roof of the palate. Contracting, relaxing. Feel the energy being passed into crown chakra and crown chakra getting activated. And let's chant And now, you have activated all the 7 chakras. They are activated, they're spinning, they're charged with energy. We'll bring all the energy from the lower chakras up. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs, holding your breath. Take your navel back. Push your anus up. And look towards your third eye. Hold, tongue to the palate. Hold your breath. You're looking towards third eye, the tongue is at the palate, navel is pulled back, anus is pulled up. Feel the energy flowing up from the spine to the third eye. Allow the energy to flow up. And relax and let go of your breath. Feel how the energy is flowing from your spine into your head, into your third eye and crown. We'll activate and balance the Ida and Pingla and request Mother Kundalini to awaken and arise now. Pingla Samanvay. Ida Pingla Samanvay. Ida Pingla Samanvay. Sushmana Udgam, Sushmana Udgam, Sushmana Udgam, Kundalini Arohanam, Kundalini Arohanam, Kundalini Arohanam. And now, just enter into a deep stillness. Relax your body and mind and allow the mind to enter into stillness, the shunya, the void, and allow the energy from the base of the spine to gush up and meet the cosmic energy, the divine